Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the KAMONK 10 amp smart plug. On the front of the package, we can see a couple of images of the product in the white and black color scheme. Some KAMONK branding on the top, the smart plug 10 amp branding on the top right. On the bottom left, we can see that it is compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. On the right hand side of the package, we have some QR codes, but the most important one that we need to know about is the one in the middle, which links us to the app that helps with using this smart plug. On the left hand side, we have some of the features which include making non-smart appliances smart, but in a way. We can also set the timer and countdown. It can be used to monitor your electricity consumption from that particular plug point. It also has overcharge protection option. It enables smart automation features as well, and it has surge protection and it is flame retardant. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, apart from this little sticker that says that we have the black color variant of the product. On top, we just have some KAMONK branding. And on the bottom, we have some technical specifications like its exact model number, which is F3S601-IS. We can also see the voltage, which is 250 volts at 50 or 60 Hertz. On the right hand side, we have some importing information. And on the bottom, we have contact information for the customer care. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a quick start guide. This should help you get started with using the product and help you register for the on the app. Next up, we have the smart plug itself. The front has a matte finish on it, and all around it we have a shiny glossy finish. On the front, we can also see the KAMONK branding on the bottom and the plug points on the top. The plug points are of different types, meaning that several international plugs can also be fit into this smart plug. On top, we have the power button, and on the back, we have some KAMONK branding on the top, and we can see that it is a standard 3-pin Indian plug. So let's see the smart plug in action now. Here we have already set up the Kamonk app on an Android smartphone, and we have registered for it. Using the app is very simple. You can use the app to power on the device with a simple tap. The LED light on the power button has lit up, indicating that the power is on. You can also use the app to set timers about sending power to this smart plug. It can also be used to monitor the electricity consumption from this plug point. So this has been the KAMONK 10 amp smart plug unboxing. So this has been the unboxing of the KAMONK 10 amp smart plug. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.